The Fed raises interest rates another 0.75%, and it's a move that's having a big impact on Americans. Hi everyone, I'm Connie Colla, your Scottsdale Realtor, and the associate broker and owner of the Connie Colla Group at RETSY, a Forbes Global Properties partner. Well, for the fourth time in a row now, we see a hike of 0.75%, and it is the sixth time this year that we've seen the U.S. Central Bank raise the benchmark short-term borrowing rate. So what does this mean, and when does this correction end? Fed Chairman Jerome Powell is very focused on getting inflation back down to 2%, and it's a bit like turning a cruise ship. In July, we hit 9%, so we've got a long way to go. We're now down to 8.2%, so we are going in the right direction, but the effort is full steam ahead to slow the economy. We're also tracking factors like the PCE, or the Personal Consumption Expenditure Price Index, and it's a measure of the prices that people living in the United States or those buying on their behalf pay for goods and services. When we stop the escalation of what we're paying for goods and services, including housing, then we normalize prices again and we can bring inflation down. But historically, we often stop that correction too soon, and then inflation lingers and it can grow into a recession. And Powell knows this, so while today's rate hike is painful, it is not a surprise. So how does this affect the real estate market? Well, both buyers and sellers actually have an opportunity here. First, for sellers. If you remember back to April, May, June, July, we had a huge increase in inventory as sellers tried to sell at the height of the market. Inventory is now lower, so sellers, there's less competition for you, and it's a good time to get your house on the market. You have more negotiating power. And buyers, it's a good time to buy despite the rates. Remember, date the rate and marry the house. Rates will come back down when the economy gets better and back on track, and then you can refinance when that happens. But in the meantime, use this opportunity when we've seen a little bit of decrease in prices to find your forever home. Remember, Arizona is different than most states. We have a huge influx of people who are moving here for jobs. So when consumer confidence comes back, and it will, so will the market. Use this downturn to get the home you want. Okay, if you have more questions about the market, give me a call anytime. Also, sign up for our newsletter and subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay informed on the market. Okay? I'm always here for you. I'm Connie Colla, your Scottsdale Realtor, and the owner of the Connie Colla Group at RETSY, a Forbes Global Properties partner. Until next time, have a great day.